This is Radhika from 9th class 𝗧𝗦𝗔𝗧 𝗚𝗏 district. Today I am going to speak on a topic that affects every single of us, the consequences of steps taken by the government and our responsibilities. Drug addiction can have severe consequences and so many consequences. Let us know about the consequences of drug addiction. There are several consequences of drug addiction, including physical consequences, mental and emotional consequences, social and financial consequences, and legal consequences. In physical consequences, there are so many health problems like damaged organ, infections, and increased risk of overdose and death. In mental and emotional consequences, there are also so many health issues like anxiety, depression, and psychosis. In social and financial consequences, there are also so many consequences like strained relationship with family members and friends, and bad relationship with society. Financial instability, though person who addicted to drugs can find spending more money on drugs and lost their jobs, and also face financial insecurity. There are also social isolation. The social activities can communities and remove from this. Legal consequences, the consequences when possession, use, or lead to. Let us move on to the next topic. The government's taking place to curb these consequences. The government has launched allied actions for. Finally, in conclusion, I would like to say that the consequences has so many. So that is, the government is not only the duty, and it is also our responsibility. So let's work together to create a good and drug-free society.